y equals 2/88. How do I solve for the x-intercept? What value of is y? 0. So I take 6x plus 8 times 0 equals 288.
Should be 6x equals 288.
Because this would be plus 0, because 8 times 0 equals 288. So then I'd have 6x equals 288. And then I would divide by 6, so I would get x equals what? If I have an x-intercept, which axis does the x-intercept go on? The x, which is the horizontal. So I'd go over here, and it'd be close to 50. Yep, in between 45 and 50. Now I need to solve for my y-intercept. How do I solve for the y-intercept? So I plug in what for x?
6
Plus 8y equals
288. That means 0 plus 8y equals 288. 0 and 8y equals 288 divided by 8. 36. Yes.
So y equals 36. Okay, so I graph that on the y-axis, okay? And then I could connect my line. Now, the interpreting part, I don't particularly like the problem that they give you because the x label is very similar to the y label. So the x label is packages with 6 boxes, and the y label is packages with 8 boxes. So if I interpret this, I would say 48 goes with x. So 48 packages with 6 boxes. And then I could buy 0 because my y at this point is 0. So then I could buy 0 packages with 8 boxes. Okay? Then for this one, since this is my y-intercept, my y is 36. So if I buy 36 packages with 8 boxes, I can't buy any packages with 6 boxes because that's the x is 0 there. Okay, so in order to interpret this, for the other class, I just crossed off their labels and I I changed the labels to make it make sense, I guess. So I said that I put this one as movies, and then this one would be snacks. So movie tickets, actually. So this time I'm going to pretend we're going to the movie theater. Okay, and I can buy movie tickets and I can buy snacks, right? So here, if I buy 36 movie tickets, I don't have any money to buy snacks, right? Because I used it all in my movie tickets. Now down here, since this would represent my snacks, if I bought 48 snacks, I wouldn't have any money to buy a movie ticket, right? So those would be one or the other situations, correct? So then what does that tell me about these points on the line here? What do those points represent? The situations when what? So the two endpoints are like I can buy all of one and none of nothing, or the other. Or I could buy all of this and none of the other. So what are the points in between? Harder?
What? You could buy one while still buying.
Yes. So these points are like I could buy 10 snacks and 30 tickets. I could buy 35 snacks and 10 movies. So that's like when you can buy both. The end points, though, are like one or the other. Okay? It's just an example I came up with. Questions about interpreting? So basically, you look at your axis labels, and then you put it with whichever one it goes with. Make sense? Capiche? Okay. I don't really